Harpo John, a heavy rain here in Arizona. It's getting to be mid-October already. It's the 13th. It's a Saturday. It's a beauty. Epic rains here, and we just happen to come across this very visual whirlpool happening, and I found it quite mesmerizing, and I thought I would get a video of this. Apparently it's the only drain after this heavy rain on this extraordinarily beautiful little place off Val Vista in Arizona, where you might come and walk your dog. And back to the action. The outside white piece of paper wants to get in there but doesn't join the party quite yet. And let's root for that. And that is a shy coming on the outside. Doesn't want to quite get in on this. Oh yes, oh yes. We have a completion of whirlpool litter activity in Mesa, Arizona, 2018.